let's get into it. So, for cryptocurrency for this week, Bitcoin's actually going back up. So you can see this on the weekly chart here for you guys. Everything's gonna go back up. Look at this, bro. All the cryptos are actually positive except for Zcash is actually negative. So we'll go back down to the daily chart here. Go back here. So it was a good sell all weekend. Today's Monday, so all cryptocurrencies are going back up except for the one down here, which is Zcash. So Bitcoin is getting, I can't say on this part right here, but a lot of resistance is still seen at 45,000. It's still a big move here for it to hit 50K. So I'm not gonna say it's gonna hit 50K this week, but anything is possible for this week. So it also hit 50K today too if it wanted to. It's stuck at 45,000 for sure right now. And then Ethereum's trying to move back to 2,300 here. Let's see what's up with Litecoin trying to make a move back to 68 and then 70. And then we'll see if it keeps going up. So we're gonna have to end up switching it to buys here for today. Let's see here. Shiba is trying to come back up here to the 9.5 and the 10 mark here. And then Dogecoin is trying to come back up to 8 cents. And then we'll see if it hits 8.5 to 9 cents here. And then Ripple came back up to what, 58, and then now it's coming back down to 56. So so there's a lot of buying pressure right now. So I'm gonna wait till later to send out the signals for the daily, and then we'll see what's gonna happen. So I'm not gonna send out signals right now. I'm just gonna get the analysis of what I'm seeing right now. A lot of retracement going back up here. Neo going back to 12. And then Dash is trying to make a move back to 28, but it dumped all the way down to 25. Okay. Solana is trying to make a move back to the previous high, trying to hit 100, 110, and then 120. Zcash, major move down for Zcash here, down to 21. So that's a substantial move here. Wow, really negative. And the last one is Tezos. At 89 cents in value right now, trying to make a move back to 95. And then we'll see if it breaks even $1 in value. So other than that, Bitcoin is still sitting at 45,000, but it's still not moving as fast as I thought it was gonna go. So, but overall, we did this do is sell on Friday, and then it sold off Friday evening all the way till Sunday, and it started picking itself back up last night. So, other than that, I think that's all I got for you guys for cryptocurrency analysis. Any questions? Let me know in the Telegram chat group on that. Peace out, guys. All right, guys. I know today's Monday, but I'm just gonna go ahead and give you guys the quick analysis here for what we're doing for this week here. So we are gonna be selling the US dollar this week. We're looking for DXY to come back down to 102 and then break down 102 back to 101. So this is the weekly chart here. I got my weekly trend line here saying that they're going down. And I'm just looking to keep selling the US dollar, even though the US dollar was positive for NFP on Friday, but it also fell back right after the London overlap was done. So that was a key component to looking into what was going to go on. So let's go back and look into what we're doing for indices here. Looking to, let's see what I have for indices here. Just trying to see what I have for indices here. So make sure I am buying both the indices, looking for all the indices go back up. Let's see here, looking for US 30 to hit 37. What is it? 30. Hold on, I'm just trying to see what the price is at. 37.3. So looking for it to go back to the very top of 37,800. And then we'll see if it breaks back to even higher to hit 38,000 by the end of this week here. S&P, looking for S&P to come back up to retest 4,800, and then we'll see if it breaks a new high going up to 5,000. NASDAQ, looking for NASDAQ to go back up to 16,000. Let's see what the high was. Almost, was it 17,000? Yeah. Okay. So the big move would be to come back to retest 17,000, and then we'll see if it keeps going up from there. Overall, it is still an uptrend for all the indices: Nasdaq, S&P, and US 30 here. And as far as for gold, I believe I had to buy for gold, but gold is coming back down. That's a big move for gold on the weekly here. So I'm gonna go back down to the daily. Just kind of want to see what's going on. So gold is coming back down significantly here on the daily. Wow, it's a big move right here for but we do have it as a buy on the weekly. Let's see. Weekly swing would be to make go back to retest 2050. And then the big move would be to come back to test 2090 here. Maybe the big move on the weekly here. UJ, let's see, I think we're selling UJ, right? Yeah, selling UJ. Looking for UJ to come back down to break 144 and then break down to 143 and 142. And that's all I got. Euro, looking to buy Euro for 110, and then the next move would be to break 111. And then for the pound, we're going to buy the pound for 120. Let's see, where we at 120, 127.1. So looking forward to buy one to hit 128, 129, and then the third take profit would be 130. Okay, your British pound looking to sell this pair back down to 86, and then the next move would be break 85. U-Swiss looking for U-Swiss come back down to the retest down to 84, and then break 84 back down to 83. And then selling UCAD, looking for UCAD come back down to 133, and then break down 132, and then the next move will be 131. And then Australia and New Zealand, looking to sell Australia. Hold on, are we selling Australia? I don't think we're selling them. Are we? We're buying. Okay, so we're buying. We're doing weekly buys on this. But the daily is coming back down. So the buy would be for the weekly for it to come back to 67 and then 68. And then the third move would be 69. And then buying New Zealand for New Zealand to hit 63 and then 64 would be the big move here for New Zealand. Let's see what else I got going on here. I'm just trying to see what we got going on for this week on the economic calendar, which there isn't a whole lot going on for this week for news. For the economic calendar, there isn't a whole lot. So, any questions regarding the analysis or signals on the weekly, let me know. Other than that, I'll see you guys in the chat. All right, guys. Have a wonderful Monday. We got a big winter storm coming up too, so be careful. That starts tomorrow or it starts tonight. But peace out, guys.